Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to clear the NVIDIA shader cache. Alright, let's begin. First, right-click on your desktop and select Show More options. Then click NVIDIA Control Panel. On the left side, choose Manage 3D Settings and scroll down to Shader Cache Size. Click the drop-down menu and set it to Disabled, then scroll down and press Apply. After that, restart your computer. This step is important for the changes to take effect. Once your computer restarts, open the Start menu and search for Run. In the Run box, type %local app data % and press Enter. Find the NVIDIA folder and open it. Double-click GL Cache, select all files, and delete them. Then, go back to App Data, open Local Low, and select NVIDIA. Open the DX Cache folder and delete all files inside. Next, open the Disk Cleanup tool from the Start menu. Choose your C drive. Make sure DirectX Shader Cache is checked, and click OK followed by Delete Files. Finally, reopen NVIDIA Control Panel, go to Shader Cache Size, set it to Driver Default, and click Apply. So that's basically how you can clear the NVIDIA shader cache. That's it for this video. Thanks.